Once you've selected a lesson, it's now time to customize it. To do so, just hover over the lesson box. You'll see 3 or 4 options, but we're going to focus in on the edit one. Once you select edit, it brings up the question of whether or not you want to duplicate the slide or merely edit it. Since I've already done this, we're going to go ahead and say duplicate. And because we're doing this, we're going to continue editing. The duplicate feature is very useful in that if you have multiple classes or multiple ability groups, you can take the same lesson and customize it to those students' individual needs and still have the same base without having to create it over and over again. Okay. One of the things you see once you've gotten this lesson open is that you can see everything. It takes you through all of the collaboration opportunities, all of the interactive opportunities, as well as the lesson itself. You have the option of, say, selecting the collaboration board and the poll. Maybe we don't have time to do both today. Maybe you just delete that slide and keep going. Okay.